So hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club in IT Agartala. This is Abhishek Verma, and today I'm going to discuss the problem find the indices with index and value difference. Second, so in this problem we have given an array and we have given two values. Means basically we have to find the a pair of numbers for which the difference between their indices is greater than or equal to the index difference, and the difference between their values or the absolute difference between their values is greater than or equal to the value difference. Means let's take this example. So in this example we have given an array 5.41 and index difference is 2 and value difference is 4. So we can take 0 and 3. Means 0 means 5 and 3 means 1, because 3 minus 0 is greater than equal to 2 and the absolute difference of 5 and 1 is greater than equal to 4. So let's understand it. So let us suppose we have given any array. Let us suppose we have array 1, 4, 9, 10, 7 or anything, right? Means 5. So let's mark the indices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us suppose the index difference given us is 2. So if the index difference is 2, so if we take this element, means if first we take this element, then for this element we can take any element from here up to the last element, because we have to make the index difference greater than equal to 2. So since 2 minus 0 is equal to 2, and from here for all the elements the index difference is going to increase, right? So we can take any element from here up to last element. Now the first we don't have to take care of the first condition, because if we take the elements from this only, let's suppose we take first element this, and if we take second element from here to here, then we don't have to care about the first condition, because the index difference is going to greater than or equal to 2. Now we have to only care of the second condition, that the difference between their elements is greater than or equal to the given element difference. So let us suppose this is 1, or let us suppose here we have 10, right? Let's suppose here we have 10 or any other number. Okay, so wait, yeah, so let us suppose here we have 10, here we have some elements. So let us suppose 2, then 5, then 18, 1, 9 or anything, right? 3. So since this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now we only have to consider element from here to here. So if this is 2, and if anyhow we will be able to find the maximum among all these elements, so since we have to find the difference, so we can simply got the maximum difference. Means let us suppose anyhow we will be able to find the maximum among these elements. So if the maximum is 18, so 18 minus 10 is 8. But since we are finding the absolute difference, so with maximum we have to also keep record of the minimum also. Means if this is 10, then if 10 minus 1 is also equal to 9. Means since we are finding the absolute difference, so 10 minus 1 is also equal to 9. So we have to keep record of both the things with maximum minus minimum. Let us suppose here we have 1, right, or anything. Then if we will be able to find the maximum and minimum among these elements, then we can easily find the maximum absolute difference. And when our condition fulfills, we can simply return the answer, or if our condition will not fulfill, we can return -1, right? So let's see the code for the same. So yeah, so this is the code. Means what I'm doing is wait, one more thing. Means if I start from the last index, means let us suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if I start from the first index, and let us suppose the index difference is 2, then we have so many options. Means we have these many options. But if I start from the last index, means let us suppose for this let's consider this element. So for this element we can only choose this element, right? Means we have only this option, and for this element we have these two elements. So that's why I'm starting from the last index. So if I start from the last index and keep track of the minimum and maximum, then we can easily be able to find the answer, right? So I'm just running a while loop. Means I is equals to n minus 1. Means I is currently I is at the last index, and j is also equals to n minus 1. So this is the window. Means for this element we have only this element, and for this we have these two elements. So for this element, let us suppose the I is here, then j is from here to here, right? So this is what I'm doing. So let us so yeah, So int p is equal to num sign, means this is the current element. After that I am finding the difference, and if difference is greater than or equal to the given difference, then I am just simply push back the answer and return the answer. In both the things, means here I am finding for maximum and here I am finding for minimum, and after that I just move j one step ahead and finding the minimum and maximum of that window, right? So if I'm not getting the answer in this loop, then I'm just returning the -1. So yeah, this is it for the question. Thank you.